Klarpul just sent me their cordless vacuum cleaner, and I've been seeing a lot of hype about this one, so I'm actually really excited to test it out and see if it lives up to everything it claims. Right inside, you get a quick start guide and a full instruction manual that walks you through everything step by step. There's also a warranty card, and this vacuum comes with a 2-year extended warranty, so make sure you register that for extra peace of mind. Next up is this adjustable extension stick. This one is height adjustable, which is great if you're tall like me. Next is the power adapter with Type-C fast charging. Then we have the 2-in-1 hairbrush attachment and the crevice tool and the electric roller brush. So I already love how flexible this roller brush is. It turns so easily, which is going to make maneuvering around furniture and tight areas much easier. Love that it has an LED light so you can actually see dust and debris you might normally miss. You also get the wall mount, extra hamper and sponge filters, and a cleaning brush, the removable battery pack, and of course the main body of the vacuum. It already comes with the filters installed, so you're basically ready to assemble and start cleaning right away. This height adjustable stick, which connects the main body and the electric roller brush, is what makes up the entire vacuum. And then of course the battery, which attaches to the back of the main body. So you simply slide it in and it locks into place. What I really like about this is that the battery is removable, so you don't have to carry the entire vacuum to the outlets to charge it. You can slide the battery out and charge it separately using the Type-C fast charger. A full charge takes about 2.5 hours, so while it's charging, the light flashes red, and once it's fully charged, it turns green. So in eco mode, you can get up to 70 minutes of runtime. Mid mode gives you about 30 minutes and boost mode runs for about 16 minutes. You can also use a mixture of all three depending on what you are cleaning. Now let's put everything together. Assembly is very quick and easy. The quick start guide will have you done in under a minute. So you start by attaching the main body to the extension stick. Make sure you align the connectors, push them together, and you'll hear a click. Then you attach the electric roller brush to the bottom of the stick. Again, align the connectors until you hear the click sound. No tools are needed, which makes setup simple and straightforward. If you do not want to use the full stick, you can actually remove it and attach your crevice tool or your hairbrush directly to the main body. Everything attaches and detaches very easily, which I really appreciate. To empty the vacuum, you simply open the dirt canister right here. Inside you have the sponge filter and the HEPA filter. These two work together as part of the 5-stage HEPA filtration system. This system is designed to capture up to 99% of fine dust, dirt, pollen, and pet dander, which is great, especially if you have pets or allergies. Both filters can be washed with water when needed and replaced over time. And if storage space is limited, you can use the included wall mount to hang it neatly out of the way. This is very helpful if you live in a smaller space. The cleaning brush that comes with it is also very useful. You can use this brush side to clean the filters and the hook side to remove debris if something gets stuck in the roller. This vacuum is powered by a 650-watt brushless motor with 55 kilopascals suction, so you know it's strong enough to lift fine dust, ground in dirt, crumbs, and even stubborn pet hair without having to go over the same area multiple times. It performs well across different floor types, so whether that's hardwood, tile, or carpet, it handles different types of debris really well. It also features a smart touchscreen display, so you can switch between eco, mid, and boost modes with a simple tap and monitor your battery life in real time. Another feature I really like is the self-standing design, so you can simply set it down and it stands on its own. I love that I can easily move it under my table, into corners, and around tight spaces without struggling. So that wraps up the unboxing and first cleaning test. What really stands out to me is how flexible and easy this vacuum is to maneuver.